the highlight, of course, of my life, especially of my 2024. Lagi natin sinasabi, ano bang plot twist ng buhay mo for 2024? For me, that's my biggest plot twist, you know, raising the flag of the Philippines on that stage, on the MGI stage, and bringing pride back to my country, bringing this crown with you all. Grabe yung support ng mga Filipinos din sa Thailand. You know, seeing all the Filipinos raising the flag there. Iba po talaga yung feeling. Sobrang nakakaiyak, nakaka-proud. And of course, yung everyday activities. I know for some, this will just be, you know, a simple day. For some, but for me, it's really memorable kasi I've had a lot of friends in that competition. And even now, we still have connection. Every day, we send photos, videos, ano bang events, what's going on in our lives back in our countries. So, connected pa rin kami. That's something that I really treasure, the friendship I had for, you know, my journey in MGI. So, thank you so much, MGI, for allowing us to be part of the competition. And of course, to my Miss Grand Philippines for choosing me as your representative, and to all the Filipinos for choosing me also as your representation in that stage.
And yes, very true din na very proud tayo kay CJ, tama? As the Miss Grand International natin. O yan, sige. Yes, o yan, very agree sila. And next nating question is, throughout your pageant journey, so let's talk about naman, how has Jojo Bragais helped you in your journey as a beauty pageant, beauty queen?
Okay, so a little backstory. I joined competition since I was young. Pero nag-start yung mga teen pageants, then school competitions, provincial, national, ganyan. No, mga way back when I was 13. Pero first, Jojo Bragais Heels ko was way back 2015 when I joined Sanyata T. Ilocos. For some, they don't know, I've been part of Sanyata T. Ilocos, but I did join, and yun yung first pair of my Jojo Bragais Heels. And kapag ka, sabi nila, pag pageantera ka, you are always looking forward to have a pair of Jojo Bragais. And sobrang happy ko when I had that. Lagi ko yung tinatabi, sabi ko sana hindi mawala, hindi masira. Kasi yun na yung ginagamit ko nung mga sumunod ko pang competitions. And lagi ako looking forward sa sponsorship ng Jojo Bragais with the competition. Sabi ko, ano kayang official heels namin? Ito, not being biased because I've always loved Jojo Bragais and Sir Jojo as well, of course. But I know when I'm wearing the Bragais heels, alam kong easier for me to win the crown. So even during my MGI, I'm wearing this during my gown, long gown competition. I'm wearing the silver jessa. I'm wearing the nude jessa also during the swimsuit and the production. Jessa talaga ang aking favorite. Even Sir Jojo knows this. I love Jessa. I know I can do all the turns, kahit 5 turn pa yan. Basta I'm wearing my Jojo Bragais. And at the same time, on the other part naman, as a coach, as a trainer as well, lagi ko rin siyang nire-refer sa mga trainees ko to find which is the most comfortable shoes. Well, of course, yung Jojo Bragais, and then a lot more of options na pwede nilang paglaruan din sa heels ng Jojo Bragais. So, ibang level talaga yung na-bring na confidence sa akin, and yung pagiging comfortable ng heels na to whenever I'm on stage, I know I can do anything. Parang kumbaga para siyang power. Parang I feel like I can do anything basta I'm wearing my Jojo Bragais, and I always have it with me. Even during the coronation, I have like almost all the Jojo Bragais na meron ako just in case whatever happens. Ready ako. Kung hindi ko man makita yung aking favorite jessa, I have my Maxine with me, I have my Pia with me, I have everything in my luggage. Isang luggage ko actually puno lang ng Jojo Bragais na heels. And even the candidates are asking me anong shoes yung gamit ko lagi. Kasi I am wearing every single day just the Jojo Bragais. And then pinapalit-palitan ko lang siya depends on whatever dresses I'm wearing. Kasi alam ko it's gonna be comfortable the whole day na suot ko yung Jojo Bragais.
Thank you so much for those words for Jojo Bragais. So, coming from our queen, so na-witness nyo kung paano niya ginamit yung Jojo Bragais. And of course, to her iconic walk, do you have a name for that walk already?